A finger of fudge is just enough to give your kids a treat. A finger of fudge is just enough until it's time to eat. It's full of Cadbury goodness, but very small and neat. A finger of fudge is just enough to give your kids a treat. It's full of Cadbury goodness, but very small and neat. A finger of fudge is just enough to give your kids a treat.
It's the Milky Bar Kid!
The Milky Bar Kid is strong and tough, and only the best is good enough. The creamiest milk, the whitest bar, the good taste that's in Milky Bar.
The Milky Bars are on me!
Milky Bar's so creamy white, this ain't Milky Bar.
The lower fifth simply crave for them. They pay attention and behave for them. Can't resist them, Cadbury's cream eggs. Old maiden aunts, we might add, love them. From the yolk to the shell, the sheer excellence of them makes the confidence swell. Little boys with a feel for them are quite prepared to do a deal for them. Can't resist them, Cadbury's cream eggs. Can you?
I'd rather have a bowl of Cocoa Pops. My name's Coco, I'm a monkey like you. I live in the jungle, not in the zoo. I lived on leaves when there weren't any shops, but I'd rather have a bowl of Cocoa Pops, oh yeah. Kellogg's Cocoa Pops taste so chocolatey, they even turn the milk brown, so I'd rather have a bowl of Cocoa Pops.
The red car and the blue car had a race. All Red wants to do is stuff his face. Trucks to prickly trees, but smart old Blue, he took the Milky Way. He's looking for a chocolate treat, fluffy and light, 'cause he knows it won't spoil his appetite.
Oh no, the bridge has gone. Old Red can't carry on.
But smart old Blue, he took the Milky Way.
Everyone's a fruit and a nutcase. It really is a must for modest dancers. The nuts are so nutritious, the fruit is so fruititious, and connoisseurs of chocolate pronounce it quite delicious. Everyone's a fruit and a nutcase. It contains a special F&N ingredient. For healthy recreation, what a combination. Cadbury's fruit and nut.
If you like a lot of chocolate on your biscuit, join our club. If you like a lot of chocolate
On your biscuit, join our club.
if you like a lot of chocolate on your biscuit, join our
If you like a lot of chocolate on your biscuit, join our
A Mars a day helps you work, rest and play. Thank you very much for repairing my tire. Thank you very much, thank you very, very, very much. Thank you very much for the loan of your dryer. Thank you very, very, very much.
Cadbury's Roses, their favorite centers, all lavishly covered in delicious Cadbury's chocolate, make roses the sweetest way to say,
Thank you very much, you're one in a million. Thank you very much, thank you very, very, very much. Thank you very much for feeding William. Thank you very, 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 very.
say it with Cadbury's Roses.